That's called volunteering a person. You don't have to do it. No, she knows what the game is. That doesn't count. Yeah. Who can, I promise it won't hurt. Okay? And I won't be slapping you or doing anything like that. So could the rest of you come along and gather around this whiteboard and come with me. So let everybody arrive first. Yes, you have an audience. Now, I have drawn something on this whiteboard. And remember the fact about visual perception? You actually don't see the whole room at once. The whole room is constructed of a whole little series of little pictures. And then you collect it, you go, oh yeah, I can see all the detail. In actual fact, no, you can't. This straw, yeah, so sorry, I wish it was a better construct, but if you hold the straw like this, so that you can just see a little, oh, there's an eye, oh, there's a nose. Who is that? Oh, look, there's a top tooth, there's a chin, but who is that? Anyway, so if you can do that and be about here, okay? So you do that, and then you tell me when you're ready. Close the other eye, by the way, okay? Yeah, you're allowed. Well, you know, this is tolerating uncertainty. Now, I said there's something drawn on the board. Look at it. Don't step backwards. Don't step forwards. They're not going to do anything to you. Yep. And you figure out what it is, okay? Here we go. And your job is to watch her behavior. What does she do to make meaning of what she's seeing if she can only see one part at a time? Which is the nature of attention. I'm going to shut up now. Yeah. Yep, just keep going. So you can definitely see that there's white and black. There's just... Actually, what you're doing is fantastic, giving us a verbal report. That's an insight into something we don't know. So if you can continue that, that'd be marvelous. Thank you very much. Don't worry. That's great. Yeah. So now I think that's enough. Close your eyes, take the straw away, and there's nothing behind you for 3 steps. Take 3 steps backwards. Okay, stop. Now open your eyes and look. Notice that you picked up on all of those shapes. Is there a meaning to those shapes? No. So notice that the question is now different. I'm not asking you, what do you see? I'm asking you, is there meaning to what you see? Now, open your eyes, come back to where I am over here. And now from where I am, what do you see? Oh, sorry, what meaning can you make out of that? No, it's not a... Yes, great. That's a clue. And do you text a lot? Ah, that's why you don't get the meaning. Anybody who's... Absolutely. For anybody who texts a lot, those next two things would make sense. Almost. So people who text a lot, you know, they get really lazy. They don't want to write a whole word. So you picked who beautifully. The next one is are. Can you see?
Yep.
And the next one is you. Who are you? Yeah, so? Yeah, it's like, it's just blown out, yeah? So this happens in ATM all the time. You know, you go, oh, it can't be that simple, can it? He's just not asking us to do that, is he? And yes, he is, yeah? So notice, you picked up on all the properties of those objects, the angles, the triangles, the curves, everything you picked up. That's fantastic. And then exactly what he said, out of those properties, based on our past experience, we create meaning. And if you were a texter, you picked the who, the next two would have been, yep. Thank you. Yoo-hoo! That was the unexpected.
Thinking of context is everything, and our past experience, using our past experience, can that be related to foregrounding and backgrounding, that with foregrounding, you actually need the background as well?
Yeah. The background is the context.
Background is the context.
Yeah. Now, that's an example. So the rest of you, we're going to divide into two groups. Some of you will be using a straw to see through, and the others will be doing something else which I can't tell you. Okay? So, could you please divide yourself into two equal groups? Yeah, just right now,